Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I would like to guide you for 10 technical terms for fresh civil engineer. If you are studying, if you are working on construction site, or if you want to build your house and you are not a technical person, so watch this video till the end to know about 10 technical terms for civil engineering construction. Let's get started, guys. The first one is very important, related with staircase. As you know, guys, staircase is the important part of building. If that is residential building or commercial building, so we need to construct the staircase for using first floor, second floor, third floor, etc. Guys, you can see here, this is turn for the first floor. Okay, so this is a stair. Remember, what is the normal or standard size? Okay, so you should have, this is very important, you should have minimum 6 feet by 13 feet size for staircase in residential building. You should have minimum 6 by 13 feet space for staircase. It means the width should not be less than 6 feet and 0 inches, and the length should not be less than 13 feet and 0 inches. So in that small place, you can construct the staircase for residential building, not for commercial building. This is very important. The second one is a riser and stair should not be more than 7.5 inches. Riser, what is riser, guys? You can see this is straight, this is riser, this is straight, this is a riser. Okay, so this riser should not be more than 7.5 inches the depth. Okay, guys, you can see this is riser and this is straight. Okay, and trade, you can say it should not be less than 9 inches. This is minimum, this one. Riser 7.5 inches and trade 9 inches, but this is minimum. It should not be, so it should not be more than 7.5 inches and not less than. And let me write it in the second one. Okay, 7.5 inches. Okay, so let me write third one. Okay, and trade should not be less than, the first one is more than and this is less than 9 inches, this one. Okay, so this is the third one. Next one, and stair, the fourth one, angle between ground and pitch. It means, guys, you can see here, this is landing, this is stair, this is ground. Okay, so this is ground level and this angle should be, angle between ground and pitch should not be more than 40 degree, but you can say, but keep between 25 to 40 degree. This is very important. Okay, this one, so from 25 to 40 degree. This is trade, riser, trade, riser, trade. Okay, this is very important to know. The fifth one is, guys, very important. Okay, the size of plinth beam should not be less than 9 inches by 12 inches, where 12 inches depth is 12 inches and width is 9 inches. This is the fifth one. Okay, it should not be less than this. So for normal residential building for G+1, you can keep 9 by 12 inches, but remember one thing more, with minimum 4 numbers of bars, 4 bars you can say. Okay, so this is the fifth one. Now guys, the sixth one is size of column is minimum for G+1 story 9 inches by 9 inches with minimum 4 bars, and the die you can keep 12 millimeter. Okay, so this is for size of column. The next one guys, let me guide you for more. Okay, now I will write here, I will get start from 7th. Okay, so the 7th one is guys, crank bar. Crank bars are very important NRCC slab with L/4 distance to resist negative bending moment. To resist negative bending moment. This is very important. How guys, you can see here, this is one column, this is other column, this is slab on the top of this is crank bar. Okay, so here we have negative bending moment, here we have positive bending moment. This is very economical, so you should provide. Next one guys, here let me remove this. Okay, the 8th is guys, 8th plinth level for residential building should not be less than 2 feet and 6 inches. It should not be less than this. Otherwise, it makes more problems during flood level, etc. on the road or from the road level. The 9th one is guys, use 8 millimeter dia of ring and stirrup or ties in column, stirrup and beam. It should not be less than this. Okay, use 8 millimeter dia of ring if that is stirrup or in ties. This is also very important. The last one is very important guys here. Don't use cement if it is 3 months old. 3 months old, that has been expired, so don't use expired cement. Within 3 months you can use the cement if the because we have the final expiry 3 months for that. Okay, so if you have more than 3 months time, after 3 months when you are using the cement, you cannot get the full strength, so you will face more problems. So within 3 months you should use the cement because this is the final expiry. So this is the topic for today, 10 technical terms which I have discussed in front of you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.